What's going on, guys? My name is Taylor, and today I have a special video for y'all. Today I'm unboxing the Oculus Quest 128 gig, and I'm so excited, so stoked for this. So without hesitation, let's get right into the video. Yeah, so right here we have the Oculus Quest, bro. I am so excited. Like, I've been waiting on this for a fat minute, and I'm so excited that today's the day we get to open it up. So let's do it. Oh my gosh, it is here. We have the Oculus Quest. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start the unboxing. Oh yeah, for all you ASMR people. I'm just playing. All right, guys, let's go ahead and open her up. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at the headset. Oh my, I'm so excited. Kind of these straps, you know, just like the manual straps how it came like on the last version. Looks sick. And there's no wires. That is the reason I got this. There are no wires. That is so sick. Okay. Then it comes with the touch controllers. It comes with 2 controllers along with a headset and then some cables. All right. Oh, a little magnetic box too. Love that. All right. So it looks like it comes with your power bank. It's like a Type C. And then comes with a couple batteries, I assume, for the controllers. And then I'm sure it's a quick startup guide. And then this thing, which is the insert for the face. And then the charger itself. Alright, guys, so I'm pretty sure that this is a glass spacer, so if you wear glasses like me, it spaces out a little bit. Pretty sure that's what that's for. So let's go ahead and read the instructions, because I'm pretty sure we just got to download the Oculus app to get it started. So let's see. Got the good old reference guide. Alright, so just plug in your headset. A status light on the right side of the headset will come on, will indicate the power level. Okay, so we got to plug her in. Just like that. Alright, so it says the status light on the right side of your headset. It's right over here will come on, indicating so it's charging. Okay, then click continue, and it says power. So this button right here is the power button. It says turn on your headset, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. 1, 2, let go. Okay, there it is. I can definitely see it. Yeah, it shows you the white light indicating that it's turned on. So we'll say next. So it said, look into your headset for more 5-digit code and enter it here. 46052. Select Wi-Fi. We're gonna select my Wi-Fi, enter my password. Insert batteries, already done that. Boom. And then English. Oculus Quest safety. Sweet, guys. So now you should be able to see this. Oh.
First, let's get familiar with the Guardian system.
Okay.
Look around you. This grid wall is the Guardian system. This grid shows the boundaries of your play area. Don't move or reach beyond it. Now let's see what your virtual hands can do. To make a fist, squeeze the grip with your middle finger and hold it down. To point, keep squeezing the grip and just lift your index finger. Now use your index finger to push the button in front of you.
Oh, bro, it's like the presidential nuke button.
To pick up an object, squeeze and hold the grip button with your middle finger. Try reaching out and grabbing one of these blocks. Release the grip button to drop it. Your virtual hands.
Ooh. So sick. Oh, you. Let's go to this world. Oh yeah. Alright, press the button to select gun. Grab a squeeze. Oh shoot! All right. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Let's go.
When you're ready to explore another virtual world, insert the cartridge into the console.
Look, no wires, nothing. Hey. Use your hands in VR. Put down your controllers. Oh my gosh. Guys, do you see this? Select. Hold the scroll. Well guys, there you have it. That is the first view that I've had of the Oculus Quest. I have nothing to say about it. It has been amazing how you have the hand tracking and you have the wireless. There's no tether cables or there's nothing on the back of your head. I mean, this is just a big advance in VR and where it's going to go. So if you guys want more videos, make sure to drop down in the comments. Make sure to leave a like on this video and I'll put up some more Oculus videos maybe. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.